Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, it was very rare when a day came when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not come to Hazrat Abu Bakr's, either in the morning or evening. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was granted the permission to migrate to Medina Munawwara, we got embarrassed, for he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came at the time of the Zuhr prayer. When Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu was apprised of his arrival, he said, the Prophet's visit at this time indicates something urgent. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, send the other people away from you. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, these are both my daughters, Aisha and Asma. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you know I have been accorded permission to migrate? He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will I be with you? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you are along with me. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have made 2 she-camels ready for migration. You may take one of them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I took it on the condition of paying for it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2138.